Hare Krishna, welcome to day 16. Now let's welcome this day with a set of beautiful self-affirmations. Joining our hands, sitting in a comfortable position, let's speak. I am worthy of love and acceptance, embracing my uniqueness. In challenges, I choose understanding, fostering harmony. My words reflect calm and kindness, promoting connection. I consciously detach from negativity, cultivating positivity. I focus on solutions, avoiding unnecessary problems, contributing positively to situations. You all can pause the video and repeat these self-affirmations, sitting quietly at a place. Now let's gently proceed for our gazing meditation. We need to gaze at the tip of our nose. We need to constantly look at the tip of our nose. We need to focus all our attention to the tip of our nose. If our eyes hurt, we can close them and can again open and start gazing at the tip of our nose. This meditation practice will allow us to have a longer concentration span. Even if your mind wanders here and there to different kind of thoughts, gently notice it and bring it back to the tip of your nose. So I'm closing the music here as you need to sit in a very quiet place, focusing all your attention to the tip of your nose. Let's relax. Gently rub your palms. Generate the heat and cup your palms over your eyes before starting for the pranayama practice. Let's start with the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Left hand in Chin Mudra and right hand in Vishnu Mudra. Now we need to close our right nostril first and inhale from the left nostril. We can close our right nostril with the help of our thumb and we can inhale from the left nostril. Then we need to hold our breath for a couple of seconds and then we can gently exhale from the right. Again, inhale from the right. Hold your breath for a couple of seconds and then gently exhale from your left nostril. We need to keep our breath at a normal pace and we need to keep our hand position in the same manner. This beautiful pranayama helps in cleansing our nasal passages. Keeping all your attention to your breath. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your breath. So it's a longer practice. Keep doing, keep pushing yourself to do it more. Nadi Shodhana cleanses all the toxins which are residing in our body. It helps to release the stress and anxiousness we are surrounded with. It also helps to cleanse any respiratory irritants in the respiratory tract, and it infuses our body with oxygen. And relax. Take a breath in and out. Let's proceed for the Brahmari Pranayam, the humming bee breath. So today firstly I'm doing one variation where I will keep my index finger gently pressed to the tragus of my ears, and I will pull it in and out, and then I will take out the humming bee sound. If you have any ear infection, kindly don't do this variation. You can gently sit and take out the humming bee sound. So first inhale. Keep moving your fingers in and out near the tragus of your ears and gently take out the humming bee sound. Let's do at least 9 to 10 repetitions of the same. Inhale and exhale with the humming bee sound. Now I am changing to the Shanmukhi Mudra. I am making it with my hand, as you can see, and I am gently pressing my ears tragus with the help of my thumb. You can check out this mudra from my previous videos, week 1 videos. Now we will do it same. We will inhale from our nose, and while exhaling we will take out the humming bee sound. Your ears should be gently pressed from the tip of your thumb. Always keep your spine straight while sitting. This beautiful pranayama will help you release all the unnecessary thoughts coming in your mind. relax. Gently breathe in and out. Rub your palms, generate the heat, cup them over your beautiful eyes. Gratitude to Lord Krishna. May He provide us more power, more strength, and more energy. We are done with day 16. Thank you all for joining me. Namaste.